Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make a good vegetable. It's Brussels sprouts. Okay, for our braised Brussels sprouts, we're going to need Brussels sprouts, then chili flakes, some chopped cilantro, 1 onion with 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic, of course this is vinaigrette, balsamic vinaigrette, and half of this bacon. That's what we're going to use. Okay, so we actually cooked all this bacon. This is the bacon which is used, and this rendered all this fat. This is the amazing flavor of that fat which we're going to use for this amazing dish. So no other oil or anything like that. First I'm going to saute this onion. I add a little salt in it, this onion itself, and watch out for the salt because the bacon can have, salty bacon can have. There we go, just saute this nice. Let it get crispy. You can smell this, oh, amazing. Just wetting it a bit. Now I'm going to add my ginger and garlic. This is a very fast dish, so you got to move fast. You keep it high. Let it cook, saute a little bit. To this I'm going to add my, this is the chili flakes and some pepper, fresh ground pepper into this. Saute this well. The flavors in it. Now I'm gonna add my bacon, half of this bacon. Move this around. Oh wow, it smells. It's the aroma of this stuff is amazing. The bacon render is so good. Now to this I'm going to add my Brussels sprouts. Very high heat. Move this around a little bit, and then I'm going to cover it and steam it for about 2-3 minutes. There we are. And what happens is this nice flavor of this bacon and everything will come into it, and then we're going to finish it off on high heat with some balsamic vinaigrette. Okay, so now I'm going to just cover this for about 2 minutes and let it cook on high heat. Okay, so 2 minutes are up. Look at this, amazing, it looks good. And just stir it a little bit. Now you don't want this thing to cook too much because the crunchiness of this vegetable is amazing. Okay, so we're gonna, now what I'm gonna do is put some balsamic vinaigrette, just shake my vinaigrette. Oh wow, see? Little balsamic vinaigrette in that. Stir it, and then again for another 2 minutes, we're gonna keep it covered. Here we go. So now I'm going to again cover it on high heat. I'm going to steam it. There you are. Another 2 minutes covered, and then it will be ready. Okay, so now it's 2 minutes after that. We close, so now we're going to open it. Oh, amazing aroma. I'm gonna sprinkle nice cilantro on it, or you can put parsley. I like cilantro. Just saute it. Voila! Here's our braised Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are like small cabbages, so it has to have that glaze. Look at that. It should be cooked, and it's amazing. Now it's ready. Let's cut it and ready to eat. Wow. Okay, guys, we are ready to taste our braised Brussels sprouts with this bacon. Oh. Nice and hot. Means hot, means hot, means spicy, but it's got tremendous flavor. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!